Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat jengok kai perthai ubak polling do hene kesngi habekaran Halor ke Jinglawa Panmab igitu ki Jympynthohbria ya ke Jylla ulaong baga jing sedang bandawa Panmab kade hadian bagi don ki Riew ki ba komen bat ki ba pensyet persya ya ki Riew ki ba dei ki nong shong shnong ke Jylla Meghalaya ki don ru ki lat pathai kubor bat ki Riew Shimet ki ba kentho bat menta ki ne ki la pha ya ki kubor Panmab bat ni la hun ya kata ulaong balada ki ne kim Panmab ke sarkar ke don ni ke jingthmu bandawa bai menran khmat bat ujo daga ejahar ki Bahaïing jong uraja bat ki we ru ki la pha ki khobor baki Panmab na ka sarkar Meghalaya bat ru ni ki pai ba jong ka Jylla Halor ki Jingpynthohbria jong ki.
See, the genesis of our demand for apology sprang when a number of vile comments were made, including incitement of violence against people originating from Meghalaya. So the very next day, the response was tremendous because a lot of these major media houses, including Times of India, including Republic TV, apart from private, bloggers, have tendered their unqualified apology. So that met with our demand.
You won't be pursuing any legal?
No, we have stated clearly that unless you apologize, we will file defamation suits, and we have filed FIRs as well. Now, once they have taken their word back, for instance, the family of the deceased has also publicly apologized to the government and the people of the area. So the matter ends there. Yeah.